Hey my peeps, today we're gonna go ahead and bake a Jamaican Easter bun or Jamaican Easter spice bun. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and butter our pan. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna lightly dust it. Hit the corners. And there you have it. Okay, we're gonna put this aside until later. Next thing is to sieve our dry ingredients. Okay, and flour. I'm gonna add the flour. Okay, to the flour we're gonna add some nutmegs, cinnamon, some baking powder, salt, and some mixed spice. Okay, put that aside and sieve. Okay, that done. Put it aside, and we're gonna just go ahead and whisk it all together. And we're gonna do our wet ingredients. Okay, use a smaller part. Turn it up. We're gonna add the butter in. Okay. To the garbage. Alright, so we're gonna just turn the heat up so we can get it melting as quickly as possible. Okay, we're gonna turn off the heat all together. Alright, then we're going to add the sugar. Some brown sugar. Mix it all in. Don't want too much of a heat, so we turn it off. So just to get the sugar in. We're gonna add the jam. Okay, we're gonna continue mixing. We're gonna add the honey. Oops. Come on, Yanni, you gotta be gentle. Yep, okay, and make sure we get everything out. All right, continue mixing. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna add, this is my homemade browning. This is also on the blog. I'll post a link in the description box. Homemade browning. Okay, then we're gonna mix that in. Molasses, hallelujah. All right, and we're gonna mix. I'm gonna take it off Then we're gonna put in the vanilla extract. And then let's pour the dragon stout. All of it. All of it. Okay. I'm gonna leave this to the side, and we're gonna crack an egg. All right, and then put that aside, and then let us see if we can remove the eye. Yeah, it's a Jamaican thing. Take the eye out of the egg. All right, there you go. And we're gonna go ahead and put it away, and we're gonna just lightly whisk it. Okay, that right here. So we're gonna just lightly pour it in. Okay, everything. Yeah, everything. There we go. Whisk everything together. Add some raisins. I'm gonna add 1 cup, and then I'm just gonna all that rum coming out. Make sure everything is out. Then I'm gonna just slightly fold it in. Pour the mixture. You can go ahead and put the cherries on top. You can dice it up or put them whole on top as a decoration. But as I said, I'm not going to add it in this one that I'm doing right now. But there you have it. This, put it in the oven 60 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, guys? And then in the meantime, I'm going to make the glaze. Okay. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do our glaze in the meantime while the bun bakes, so we can have it cool and ready to brush on to the bun once it's out of the oven. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of honey. We're going to mix it up. Okay, and once it's mixed, we're gonna just let it come to a boil. Let me turn up the lid a little bit more. Okay, I think so. Make sure the honey is at the bottom. Okay, put that aside and just wait for it to come to a boil. Let me put away the honey. I think that's a boil now. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and turn it off before it burns and set it aside. All right, there you go, just a little bit. Okay, so here you have it. Just took it out of the oven. Don't want to touch it. And move it up. It's cracked on the top, but what they say, the proof is in the taste and how it eat. Yeah, how it tastes and how it eats. So don't mind it cracking on the top. So I'm gonna let it cool for for about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I went ahead and took it out of the loaf pan, and I'm just gonna brush it with the glaze. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit more before I slice it up. And I have, hold on, I bought this tasty cheese, and I have half for this. Let it cool and then we'll be back. All right, well, I gave it a slice and put some of the best cheese, cheddar cheese, Jamaican cheddar cheese, in between, and there you have it. Easter bun. I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think about it. For the full instruction, I'll leave the link in the description box for you to see. But Jamaican Easter bun.